First write a 3, then a big 3.
First write a 3, then a big 3.
Next a 3, and finally a small 3.
Next a 3, and finally a small 3.
Connect them with an arc.
Connect them with an arc.
Draw the eyes, draw the dorsal fin.
Draw the eyes, draw the dorsal fin.
Draw the fish tail. And then draw a few small bubbles. Fish painting, finished.
Draw the fish tail, and then draw a few small bubbles. Fish painting, finished.
The number 8 draws ears.
8 painting ears.
7 draw the head.
7 draw the head.
2 draw little feet.
2 draw little feet.
Draw the body with C.
Draw the body with C.
Little black dot painting eyes.
Little black dot painting eyes.
Draw a beard with K.
Draw a beard with K.
Tail painting.
Tail painting. The little mouse is finished. Number 7.
Plus plus.
Plus plus.
The number 2.
The number 2.
Equal to equals.
Equal to equals.
The number 9.
The number 9.
Draw eyes and tails.
Draw the tail and eyes. Add the mouth and nose.